Menteri ramba ka jela Konrad ke sangma ula Pynskhem ya ka jingkular jong ka sarkar ban lecha paidbah banyak keren ya penbet ya ka jingsungu kya ka jongki shwa ban rai ban penya shakmat ya project lynti rel haikilai telikithan jong ka jela nalor kata ula kerpat ru ya barok ke seng perthei bakin kelai ke jing mujing perkhat jongki bat ban wan shakmat banyak keren ya ka kam bayadei bat kelenti rel ha ka jingalang ka ban wan jong ka all party committee on railway ya ka bala thau da ka sarkar ngala keren shai bahaba phai shaka jingkiu ha ka liang ka roi ka par ba ka yo ka kon kelenti rel ka long ka bakong san na ka benta jongi la ka long ha east khasi hills Giant Hills la ne Garo Hills. Ngala shai bha ha jing par khat jonga bakalong ka bakong san bha ni don kam ya ka Henry ha ju opor nga pen pau shai baka de ka kam ka bejer wan bar ka don ni ki babun ki jing sngo na kalyang ki paidbah ong ukon rat shakila thai ku bor ha ka hnyo trik nailar haba jubab ya ka jingkeli la ka sarkar kan beteng ne man butin ha ka baya de baka jing thmu ban man ra lynti rel ha ka jila
very clear that from economic progress point of view, railways are important for us, whether it is Khasi Hills, Jente Hills, or Garo Hills. So I am very clear on my thought that it is important. We need it. But at the same time, I've been very clear that this is a sensitive matter. And obviously, there are multiple concerns that people have. Yes, our ministers have come forward and they have said that it should happen. But I am very clear on my procedure that we will take the community and the people along with us in our decision that we make. So even if it's Garo Hills or Khasi Hills, we will engage with the people, we will talk to them, we will try to convince them. If there are certain hurdles and concerns, we will try to overcome them and take the society as a whole forward in the decision, whatever decision we take, so that overall larger development comes in to the state of Meghalaya. So we had invited people to come, but we got a negative response from a few of the political parties. And so now we are wondering whether, the same people who had said that there should be a committee now today are saying that we don't want to be part of the committee. So I really don't know what the intention was, when they mentioned this in the House. But whatever the case may be, since certain political parties have disagreed to come, we will go ahead with whichever political parties are there. But as I said, coming to the committee meeting is not a support for the cause or saying that, look, we want railways. The committee is a platform to discuss. Now, if you don't want to discuss also, then how do we move forward? So I think there has to be some change in the mindset, some positivity. We are allowing that platform and discussion to happen. You don't want to take that platform also, so what can I say? So I urge different stakeholders that let's discuss, because I'm sure there can be ways which we can find to address the concerns that people have and yet have the development that we deserve. So what can we do to find a midway, to be able to address the concerns and get development? That is the purpose of this committee. So I once again appeal, even to the press, that different political parties, they should engage with us. This is how democracy works. This is a democratic process, and the government is providing that platform. We should come and discuss to take this discussion forward. No, they have not, because of course, Minister has spoken. Government of India Minister has asked me, if this project is not coming up in Khasi Hills, is there possibility in other parts? So I told him that I have discussed with Garo Hills representatives and Jente Hills representatives. They have shown some positive response based on their statements. But again, mentioned to them that we would still want to take the public at large and the organizations and civil society at large on board.